How to schedule an appointment in Venturz. To get started, click on your profile. Then click the availability button and enable your availability. Next, set your time zone, where you'll see different time zones. Select your preferred time zone and then choose your location. You'll see 3 options: other location, physical location, Google account. If you choose other location or physical location, you'll need to enter your location in the field below. For now, I select the Google account option and then log in with your Google account. Once your location is set, you'll see an option to select your availability days. Pick the days you want to be available, then add the times you'd like to schedule for each day. If you want to disable availability for any day, simply delete the time you've added for that day. This allows you to customize your schedule based on your preferences and availability. After setting your availability, go to Pages and open your preferred page. Enter / type member calendar and select the member. The member calendar will appear on the page. Now, go to your live page. Click on the URL to open the live version of the page. You'll see the calendar displayed, showing the days you've scheduled as available in white, while the off days will be shown in red. This helps visitors easily see when you're available and when you're not. Now, your users can select a date, enter their email address, and if they'd like, add a note in the provided field. Once they've filled out the information, they can click Create Appointment. When a user creates an appointment with you, it will be added to your task section. For now, since no appointment has been created, the section remains blank.